Fuck, it's cold down here today. It's cold. So we're at that point in the project, kids, where I need to cut some letters. And I've been thinking about how to do this. There. And the best way, obviously, is on a table saw with something like this. But there is a problem with this, so I need to do a little bit of a side fix. I've had a couple of ideas of how to do it on my sliding saw, because I can do it on my saw, which would be get the two bits of wood, sandwich them together with some spec tape or clamp them, and then drop the saw, cut a 45, and that gets you the two bits of wood at the same angle. That's fine. So you do that for the top pieces and the side pieces. But then it comes to doing the other 45, so you obviously turn the wood around and you chop it, so you line up the two angles where you've cut, line them up, and then you'd actually go through and straight miter those ones. But I've not done that, and it seems like it could fail. So, as I have this lovely, I can't even remember who makes it, straight that goes in my table saw, I figured, well, fuck it, I'll just do it properly and I'll do it on the table saw. Now you know that when you're ripping a piece of wood, table saw's best. You shouldn't do it widthways unless you've got some support. Ow. Some support. If you don't poke yourself in the bloody head with it. So, what I need to do, well, that actually, apparently my head's dense, that shouldn't have moved. Now the problem with this thing, other than it's now turned to a stupid angle, and I will move the camera in a second, is do I have to undo this, do that, there you go, and then you lock it down, is there's a little McGubbins that goes in here that isn't there anymore. So I need to find a screw that fits this hole. No hackery needed. I'm an idiot. So, this is an old school, and I've obviously used it because I've got a nick in it. If you actually read the instructions, which I just did because I ordered this from Amazon, there's little grub screws in here and there's spring-loaded ball bearings. So the reason why I took the end off with the washer is because I don't have a T-track on my DeWalt DW754 or 45, whatever the table saw is. I don't have that. So I removed this bit here. But then, looking at the video and the instructions, there's 4 spring-loaded ball bearings, which if you actually get through, and I just did it, and put it and do them up properly, then it fits. So now I can cross-cut and not do a hack job on doing this. So, come meet me at the table saw. We're going to do some work. It's a bit snug. Turn you off, turn you on. It's a little bit snug, but there's no play in it. I want to check the 90 on this to make sure it's actually Actually square. I don't think for shortcuts, this is fine. But for big cuts like this, where I have to go through, this ain't gonna work. So I fixed that, but I can't use it. Now for so near and yet so far. Even infit table, outfit table, or a bloody Harvey table saw. Damn it. Poo. So if I just cut on a knob. So that's how you sketch. That's how you sketch spiders. That's how you cut sketchy models. You can skip the longer pieces. We'll get to construction in the next video. Peace. Thanks for watching.